Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you best 3 method to making money with ChatGPT in 2024. From this video you can learn 3 easy way to make money with ChatGPT. So let's jump into our main video. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. And if already subscribed, thanks a lot. So, what is the 3 method to make money with ChatGPT? So our first way is you can create a creative website or app and then income from here. So how is this possible? And what is this creative website or app with ads? Creative websites means these types of websites, unit converters or mortgage calculator, etc. And in these websites, people come to convert something. And when you create a website, you can place ad on your website from AdSense and generate income. And if you create app, same process, you can show ad in your app and then generate income. Okay, so first idea, you can create a creative website or app with ads. Okay, so now is the question, how ChatGPT help you? ChatGPT help you to generate the code of your website or your app, because ChatGPT is very good at coding. So just you enter a prompt in ChatGPT and then collect your code from ChatGPT and place into your website. If you are a web developer or web development expert, you put your code on your website backend, or if you are not a web developer or web expert, then you can hire a web developer or your website's developer and send him to a code to add this to your website. Okay, so here you see just a simple prompt to generate a code. Write a PHP code to let users convert from any length and vice versa. Okay, so here is our first idea. Second idea, copywriting. You can do copywriting and use copywriting to make money. So how ChatGPT help you? In copywriting, ChatGPT help you to write this copy or your all copy. Okay, so here is you show write a 300 word blog post on travel. That's just simple prompt. You can modify it or optimize it as your desire or your interest. So ChatGPT is very good at writing. So if you use ChatGPT to write any copy, then you can get unique copy and sell your copy in Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or any other person or any other company. So that's it. Now, our third way is YouTubing. You can do YouTubing with the help of ChatGPT. So how? To make a video, we need a script, voiceover, and video edit, and a YouTube channel. So to start YouTubing, you need a YouTube channel, and then you fix or select a niche. That means your channel about travel, investment, technology, or entertainment, or book summary, or health. So first you fix your niche. When you fix your niche, then you need a script. From this script, you create your video. So here ChatGPT can help you. ChatGPT can write great script for YouTube video. Just enter prompt in ChatGPT and ChatGPT give you total script. Here you see write a video script on investment. It's just simple dummy prompt. You can modify it or optimize it on your niche. Okay, so if you use this prompt or any other prompt to write a script, you can get a better script from ChatGPT. Then you just copy this script and then voice over it. You can do voiceover personally, or you can use any AI voice converter, text to speech software free. and then you go to video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Camtasia, or Filmora, or online tool vid.io, etc. And then you can create a video and then continuously create and publish video on YouTube. And when you can get monetization, you can earn from your YouTube. Okay, so that's the YouTubing. That means our third way. So now the time is summary our video. So in this video we learn about best 3 method to making money with ChatGPT. Okay, so our first method is you can create a creative websites or app, and then you can do copywriting, and thirdly YouTubing. In these 3 sections or 3 sectors, ChatGPT can help you to generate text, generate copy, generate scripts, or generate codes. So that's it. Let's see you next video. Till then, take care and stay connected with my channel.